Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we are going to show you how to quickly edit and optimize images for the wave using Canva or any other alternative for IMG Edit. So let's just get started. No complicated software. We can just go over and start it. So you can head over and open up Canva. For that, we're going to use canva.com and log in with your account if you're not logged in yet. And you can start by creating a design. So select this option for create here, click on it, and once you click on it, you can select the option for custom size, and you can pick up a template for you for Instagram, post, blog, panel, etc. or YouTube thumbnail. So we're gonna use for Instagram post. You can come with the dimension that you're looking for. And once you are here, you can start by uploading your image. So click on this option called upload, and you can select this option for upload files and select the image that you would like to upload. For example, this, and click on open to upload the image into your Canva. Once you drop your image into this section, you can drop your image to the Canva as well itself and resize it according to your own choice and place it on your screen. And we can start the process for editing it out. So if you want to remove the background, you can select the image on the canvas and select this option for eraser and select this option for background remover and apply it up to remove the background. After you do so, you can see that Canva will automatically detect and remove the background. You can use the erase or the restore option here in order to get your edges back and everything. This is perfect for product images or thumbnails that needs a clean and professional look. I'm just going to keep it as it is for now. And that's it. So you can just go over and do so. And I'm just going to go ahead and confirm it up. Another step, what we can do is we can resize it for wave. So I can click on the option for resize if you find that option, or this crop option right here, and you can start resizing it. So you can select the aspect ratio for yourself. You can pick a preset. So you can select a blog image, your Instagram, or anything, and select the aspect ratio for yourself. After that, you can go over and click on done. Canva keeps your image very proportional, so it won't stretch or lose any quality. And in order to optimize and download it, all you gotta do is, once you're okay with it, click on the share option. And once you click on share, click on download option. And from here, you can choose your file type. So you can select this option for JPEG for photos and PNG for transparency. You can just go ahead and do so, and you can check compress file to reduce your size without losing the quality. Once you do so, you can click on this option called download and see if you optimize image. For web page, usually JPEG is preferred, so you can just go over and do so, and then pick up PNG unless you need a transparent background, and keep your images under 500 KB for faster loading, and you can use consistent dimensions across your site for professional. And that's it. You can now remove background, resize, and compress images all in one places, making your website faster and your graphics cleaner.